Looking to add that extra sparkle to your out-of-office email this season? Today, we'll show you how to make a unique out-of-office video in simpleshow Video Maker. Let's get started! Once you're in your simpleshow Video Maker account, click Create a New Video and then select Upload to simplify existing content. I've got my out-of-office message ready, just copy-paste it into the input text area. Look at that! simpleshow instantly transforms my text into a warm, cheerful message. The festive option under emotional tone gives your script that holiday vibe. I like to keep my message inclusive, so I'll add a note like message should focus on the general holiday season to keep it friendly for everyone. You can also adjust your text manually. I'll click on Visualize, and here's where the magic happens. You can pick an illustration style, I'm going with Sharp Style, and simpleshow automatically picks visuals that match with your script. Take a moment to review your visuals. Of course, if something doesn't quite fit, you can tweak it to get it just right. Just click on relevant keywords and select images from the library, or you can upload your own. Now let's pick some backgrounds that match the writing. You can even customize the colors if you want. simpleshow offers fantastic winter-themed background options, so I'll test out a few until I find the perfect fit. Let's go to the finalize phase and add some extra holiday spirit. I think I'll change the colors so it feels more winter wonderland. Think shades of green and blue with a pop of red or yellow. No holiday greeting is complete without some music. simpleshow Video Maker already has some music options ready. I'll upload a cheerful tune to get everyone in the holiday spirit. simpleshow offers a Santa voiceover just for the holidays. Let's give that a try.
Ho, ho, ho! Let me be the voice of your simpleshow.
How cute is that? Oh, and check this out. You can even swap the usual hand animation for Santa hands. Looks like it's time to wrap this up. I'll finalize the video and simpleshow automatically gives me a link to share. I'll drop it right into my out-of-office email, and there you have it, your very own holiday out-of-office video. Give it a try and let us know how your video turns out. And before you go, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more awesome tips and tricks from simpleshow. Wishing you a fantastic holiday season filled with joy, creativity, and a bit of relaxation.